Okay, welcome back. This is video 7. Before I forget, let's go down to the parts here and we will rename this by right clicking on the part, click rename. It's going to be called lid and then put your name and press enter. Alright, this is the 7th video. We're going to put a handle on here. There's multiple options here. I'll show you a couple of things, then you can decide which one you would like to do. So it'll all start with a sketch on the top surface. The handle will go at this end. So let me view it top down, zoom it back. So you simply could draw any shape you like. So I've selected the line tool. Like an arrow. The shape must be complete, whatever you do. There can't be an open corner. You might like to choose some arcs. So over here we've got a 3-point arc, and it's click and click the two ends, then adjust the middle, and the arc tool is still selected, and I could do that. That kind of looks like a moon shape. Again, the two ends must be touching and connected. You could add some text, like you could write pull or something. There's many other shapes you could add here. What I'm going to do is a thing called a slot. So I'm going to use the line tool, and I'll simply draw what will be a vertical line, and I'll draw it close to the end. I'll try and make sure I get the vertical symbol. It wants to keep drawing the line, but I'm going to press escape. Now up along the top, this will more than likely be under the down arrow. There might be an offset tool, it should be under that. But anyway, there's my slot tool. So I select that, then I click on the line, and I can adjust the size here. Mine's set at 5. If I make it too big, it's going to be ugly. I think that's still too big. That's probably a good size. And the little icon next to the cursor has got a picture of a mouse and showing you that if you left click, it'll finish the shape. That'll do. Once you've done your shape, we'll go back to the 3D view, the trimetric, and we're going to extrude. And I'm going to only make it 2mm. So whatever shape you do, extrude it 2mm, and it should be on add, and it should be on solid, and then tick. That puts a little handle on. It'll make it easy to open and close. That's it for this video.